Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Khakhar and today we are going to talk about public speaking skills. Well, I have a question for you people that what public speaking skills mean. Public speaking skills क्या होता है? उससे English के साथ क्या लेना देना है? Well, I'm sure that everybody has that misconception that public speaking skills and English both go hand in hand. No, public speaking skills and English has nothing to do with each other. And this misconception I want to clear today in this video. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. Well, so when I am talking about public speaking skills का मतलब है कि आप publicly कुछ बोल रहे हो, right? उससे इंग्लिश के साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं है. आप इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो, हिंदी में बोल रहे हो, मराठी में बोल रहे हो, गुजराती में बोल रहे हो, जिसमें भी बोल रहे हो, पर आप पब्लिकली बोल रहे हो. दैट इज़ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. सो टुडे आई वांट टू शेयर दैट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स के साथ इंग्लिश का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. इंग्लिश इज़ जस्ट अ मीडियम to conversate with someone. It's just a language. You are using that language just to communicate with someone. So public speaking skills is all about your ideas, it's all about your thoughts, it's all about your suggestion, it's all about your opinions, it's all about your confidence, it's all about your comfort zone. Everything is about public speaking skill. The points which I spoke right now, that is public speaking skills. आप अपनी आइडियाज़, आप अपनी आइडियोलॉजी, आप अपना ओपिनियन, आप अपना जो थॉट्स, वो सारे अच्छे से अपना जो क्राउड है, आपका जो ऑडियंस है, उसे अच्छे से कन्वे कर सको. दैट इज़ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. सो स्पीकिंग स्किल्स के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूँ, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ, देन लाइक सी एज यू सॉ राइट नाउ, इफ़ आई एम स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी देन ऑल्सो आई विल बी डाइवर्टेड टू इंग्लिश. Right? Probably English is my comfort zone and so I speak much of English and not Hindi because probably I'm not comfortable in Hindi because I will be in short of words. If I am speaking in Hindi तो मुझे शायद words ढूंढने पड़ेंगे, मुझे words याद नहीं आएंगे. अगर वही बात मैं इंग्लिश में बोल रही हूँ तो शायद मुझे वर्ड्स जल्दी से याद आ रहा है. आई कैन कैच वर्ड्स वेरी इजीली, आई कैन स्पीक द वर्ड्स इजीली, प्रोबेबली बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग अ प्रैक्टिस as well as I happen to be an English teacher, so I have to read a lot of things regarding English and I have to read a lot of things in English, and so English is a bit of comfort zone for me rather than Hindi. I won't say about my vernacular language. Of course, my vernacular language, I'm very comfortable in my Gujarati and I am pure Gujarati. If I say I am very much comfortable in Gujarati, पर हिंदी में शायद मैं इतनी comfortable नहीं हूँ, तो मैं publicly कौन सी language use करूँगी? Because my confidence might lose speaking in Hindi, but I will be on mark when I am speaking in English. You can see my videos. If you are comparing my previous videos, probably my first and second video, and if you compare my today's video, there is a vast difference because I was camera conscious also. But now if you see that I am confident in front of the camera, and this is how I am in the classroom. I am confident when I am speaking in front of the people, but I'm more confident when I'm speaking in English because I am English teacher. मैं English पढ़ाती हूँ, तो शायद इसलिए मैं कुछ ज़्यादा English में comfortable हूँ. So I'm not promoting English right now, but I'm just trying to say is if you want to speak something publicly, then please be comfortable and be confident. The purpose of public speaking is whatever is there in your mind, whatever is there in your heart, you just speak it openly with confidence, with comfort level, so that people in front of you can easily understand the message you have. I'm sure the question will be, अरे यार ये तो English channel था, इसमें तो हम लोग English पढ़ते थे, then why is she talking about this? See, today, Tuesday is my day. I can share my thoughts, I can share my ideology, and this is what I am doing on every Tuesdays. I have so many things to share to you people. I have a lot of I want to share all my experiences I had. I want to share the misconceptions you have regarding English. I want to share the misconception you have regarding communication. Everything I will be doing it today on Tuesday. So on Thursday again I'll be back to my English coaching and I will be teaching you English. But today I want to tell this very clearly that publicly अगर आपको कुछ बोलना है, there are so many mentors जो हिंदी में मराठी में, गुजराती में, पंजाबी में कितना बढ़िया बोलते हैं. And they are really great people. I don't need to name them, but you know everyone, right? Probably the person of your place as well. He also must be speaking great vernacular language and he must be having great followers. So there is nothing to do with English. अगर आपको अपना public speaking अच्छा करना है, the only thing you have to do is speak with confidence. आपका confidence डगमगा गया ना, तो आप नहीं बोल पाओगे. अगर आपका इंग्लिश, लेट्स से अगर आपका इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छा है, यू हैव स्पोकन वेरी करेक्टली विदाउट एनी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक, अप टू द मार्क सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन, पर उसमें कोई मैसेज ही नहीं था, तो वो इंग्लिश का क्या फ़ायदा. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में इंग्लिश का कोई रोल नहीं है, इट इज़ जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज. सो इंग्लिश को पकड़ के अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं पब्लिकली नहीं बोल सकता, तो इन दोनों का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. Okay, so first of all, remove that misconception from your side. The other thing, if I say about myself, then today I am speaking in front of camera with confidence, because now after 75 videos, I am quite confident in front of the camera as well. But this is how I am in classroom. If you want to speak in public, the only thing you have to do is carry your confidence and carry a script. Well, why am I talking about script? Because अगर आप अभी नए पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में गए हैं और आपने अभी शुरू किया है, तो आपको पता नहीं है क्या बोलना है, then if you are having things in front of you, then probably it becomes very easy for you to remember, and also it becomes very much natural because you will be able to recollect the things because everything is written on paper. That's why. Otherwise, the moment, like if you'll be indulged into public speaking a lot, and after a lot of practice, I don't think you'll be needing any of the script. Like the way this is very much candid, to be honest. Whatever is coming in my mind, whatever is coming in my heart, I'm speaking. I have not written anything. You can see there is no script in my hands, and I don't have anything around me. I'm simply standing and speaking in front of you. So this will happen. Eventually it will happen, but there is nothing to do with English. Why I decided to choose this topic, because there are many people who are having a lot of thing to say, they're having a lot of thing to share, but they aren't able to do it, or they are not doing it just because they feel यार इंग्लिश तो आती नहीं है, तो फिर क्या करें, इंग्लिश आती नहीं है तो कैसे बोलें. ऐसा बिल्कुल ही ज़रूरी नहीं है. That if you want to speak in front of the people, if you want to speak in front of the crowd, you need to speak in English. No. The only thing you have to remember is confidence. If you're confident, you can speak in front of the people. So this is what I had to tell today. This is what I wanted to share, because I thought that it is very important to explain everyone that English and public speaking both are different things, and we'll be learning a lot about public speaking, but this misconception I have clarified, so I hope now you have understood. To be honest, I have a lot of things in my mind, and I want to share a lot of things to you people, and YouTube has given me the great platform in which I can share all my ideas and all my thoughts I have, and I can put it there, I can upload there, and I am privileged that you people are appreciating my work, you are liking my work. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be coming up soon on Thursday with English coaching, because on Thursday we are having English sessions. So I'll be coming up on Thursday now. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself. Don't forget to comment, did you like the video or not? And bye bye, thanks.